Hey, it's a very, very hot August 27th, and we are still making progress with building our foundation. They've had to put a lot more 2x4s and plywood in the backyard to prep for these high stem walls that are going to be along the perimeter of our foundation. All of this sand arrived today as well. That's gonna go between the grade beams and the slab. I was a little surprised when I got home and there was a big pile of dirt there. I was like, why did they order more dirt? We have so much dirt in our backyard. They used so much wood to brace these stem walls. They even had these little metal contraptions that connected the 2x4s into the ground to give them extra support. But they used every spare piece of wood they could find in our yard, including our former deck wood. So you can see how much more wood is there now. All of it is supporting these little areas here along the side. That's all gonna be a stem wall. There's another stem wall. Got this big giant steel beam here now. Oh, how high does it go? Lots of metal and wood and concrete. That's what makes a house. What did we learn today? We learned about the necessity of supporting your stem wall forms. You need as much wood as you possibly can, I guess. I thought that the guys were going a little overboard, and yes, I was a little annoyed that they were using my deck wood, which I plan to use to build benches and tables and other stuff sometime down the line. They used everything they could find in our yard. I'm not sure how much money they spent on 2x4s just to brace these stem walls, but it was probably a good $200, $300, $400. At one point I was like, are you sure you need this much? And the guy said, yeah, concrete's really heavy.